In this lesson, let's move on to cube numbers. Imagine a shape made up of cube-shaped blocks. Here we have a shape made up of a number of these blocks. Let's look at a way of working out how many blocks there are. First of all, split the block into 4 layers. Each layer has got 4 rows and 4 columns. In other words, each layer has 16 blocks. The number of blocks in the cube is 4 times 16, which is 64. To get this answer, we have 4 layers of squares made up of 4 rows and 4 columns. So the number of blocks is 4 times 4 times 4, which equals 64. Any positive integer multiplied by itself and then by itself again is called a cube number. This means 64 is a cube number. We can write this as 4 to the power 3 or 4 cubed. In a similar way to square numbers, we can look at the following pattern. These are the first 5 cube numbers.